Use the grip's central point to move objects. Use the external grips to rotate objects. Use the lateral grips to modify lengths. Move the element. Use the object selection grip to move or rotate. You can move the selection group's entity grip. Copy and paste the graphical elements. Or delete the selected entity. Shift and left mouse button click to move the element. Control and left mouse button click to move the selection group's entity grip. Control key and C, and Control key plus V to copy and paste graphical elements. Delete to delete the selected entity.